Okay. Hello, my dear viewers. I welcome you to the Dukas Copy Webinars YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 7th of February 2023. I'm your host here. I'm a Dukas Copy's trading community member. I'm not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank, so whatever I'm going to say here, any trading ideas that I'm going to discuss are of my own. It has nothing to do with the bank, okay? Because I'm an independent analyst. Now, just to get you an introduction of what we are going to do in the next few minutes or in 1 hour. Well, we are going to find out the key levels of support and resistance for the major currency pairs and a few commodities as well. And we'll try to use those key levels in our trading, and we'll try to keep everything in the direction of the trend so that we don't fight the market, but we harmonize ourselves with the market and go in tandem with whatever way the market is going. We also follow along. Okay, that is the intention. At the end of the session, I'll be taking questions from the viewers. I will be answering the questions, so you can ask the questions in the chat right now if you have any, or during the discussion. I also want to tell you that everything that I say in this live stream is my own idea. It is my own speculation or whatever you can call it, but it has nothing to do with like Duke's copy bank. And also, I do not advise you to trade directly from my videos or from my webinars. This live stream is to give you an idea how to read the charts, how to use the levels to open and to manage the trades, to manage the risk and everything. Okay, but in the end, you have to do your own research before you trade live. You want to trade demo, it's okay, no problem. But if you want to trade live, I'm not authorized to give you any trading advice. So please don't take any trading advice from me. You can take it as a knowledge or you can take it as an information. Okay. So before we begin, let me take you through the risk disclaimer, because there is a risk associated with the foreign exchange trading. Now, after this risk disclaimer, let me take you through the charts. The first chart of the day, like every day, it is the dollar index, US dollar index. Well, I could actually see something here. In before I came for the webinar, I could see that the dollar was trading at day's high. So I can very quickly recollect from here that it has come down in the last 4 hours. When I switch to 4 hour, you will see it. Okay, you see, because before opening the webinar, I had seen this chart and the dollar index was trading at a 103.82 area, and now it is trading at 103.44 area. But it's not a problem for me, because till the time it is trading above 103.35 area, which I suppose is going to be a support, I'm happy. Okay, now this was an area which we were expecting to be resistance. This has not provided any resistance to the price, and now the price is trading much above that, and even it has broken these two highs of previous 4 hours. When you switch to the daily, you will see that the most likely now price is going to test this 105.39. Of course, on the way it will find some resistance and pull back to reload to go at the greater heights, I will say. Okay, now there is a possibility that the price will come down to 102.43. just for those who are very good believers of the still short going market, they may start short selling here, and they will be again trapped here at 102.43. But why we are saying that the market will go up after testing 102.43? Because we are trading with Rakesh, and he knows from this market structure from here that the market structure has broken. Next time when the price come here, those who have broken this market, they will try to load this again in the up direction. Okay, I mean, I hope you get it right. So the point is that they will buy again and push the price beyond these highs. So those who are short here, their stop loss will again be triggered and the price will zoom towards 105.39. This is the broader sense now what I'm expecting here. When you switch to 2 hours or maybe 1 hour, you must have seen that the price started going down and then eventually broke out. So now the price till the time is trading above this 103.37, I think we become buyers. I mean, we stay buyers. Or if for some reason you can get this dollar index close to 102.43 for any reason, it may be whatsoever, if it gets, of course, if it gives closing below 103.37, if it will try to go towards 102.43, because this is a very cheap price. Now if you take a Fibonacci from not from here, from here till here, you will see that the 50% is around 102.59, or we call it an equilibrium level. And if you get it around 102.43, that means you are getting it cheaper than the equilibrium price. And if you can get it to 102.30, that it is a discounted price. So you want to purchase something at a discounted price. You don't want to purchase something at a premium price. This 38.2 is a premium price, 50% is the equilibrium price, 61.8 is the discounted price, 78% is the heavily discounted price. Okay, but don't get all into all this. Just remember your levels. You will be looking for a buying opportunity at around 102.43. okay, talking about the euro, well, euro is also right now on the support zone, at the support zone. Now it has already seen an intraday low at around 1.0669. okay, this was the intraday low, and we were expecting the price to trade around 1.06868. yeah, 1.06868, yes, and the low it has seen is 1.0669. what is this? No, there is something wrong. 61.8 is 1.0686, not 68. 0686, and this is 0669. okay, I got it. It's almost 20 pips below that. It's okay, it's daily candle. And when you switch to 4 hour, you will see how the price is dropping. And now this 4 hourly candle is trying to provide some support to the price, but till the time the market structure is holding, we are short in this one. okay, now the structure is short. okay, but if the price resumes an uptrend from here, say in the low time frames, like 1 hour or maybe 4, which is most likely because the price has finally met the support. Now if it has met the support, there is high probability that the price will go towards the resistance zone, which is this one, 1.0801 area. And if it finds resistance here, we will be selling it with the targets of 1.0482. now how will you know? Because for this one, the structure has to break, this high has to break 1.0741. the structure is to break, it will go here and again break the structure to get in line, to get the market structure in line with the bigger market structure, which is the daily structure. Now the daily structure is just now turned into downtrend here. okay, so there is a possibility the price will retrace back to this broken structure support area to find it as a new resistance and then push the price down towards 1.0482. the minimum target should be this low here. The maximum target should be not the maximum target, but the target eventually should be 1.04823 area. okay, it makes sense. This is the lowest hanging fruit here, this low here, which the price is going to make today, 1.0668. okay, what is this? We are long short in something. okay, we are short in the euro against the Australian dollar. okay, we will see that. Take profit is 5273, stop loss is 5655, 5606 is the price. okay, we'll see that later when we go to euro Australian dollar. So guys, you got this, I hope. okay, so in the 4 hour, you will see that the first the price starts going towards this area and then it gets rejected. If it does not go there, that means the selling is heavy. But I don't think that the selling will be that heavy that it breaches and directly goes towards this, I think from here the price should go up for some time. 1.0801, that is a good idea if the market has to continue further. Okay, Great Britain pound. Well, now this area where the pound is trading right now has no much significance, because it is still within these two monthly highs and lows. Now if you switch to the monthly, you will know that I had marked these two green levels from the monthly highs and lows. Okay, this one's low, I mean previous January's low was this, and this was December's high. Okay, so these two highs and lows the price has not been able to breach till now, so I'll say that it is consolidating even on the weekly. Okay, it is consolidating, and even on the daily it is consolidating. So if it is consolidating and it is trying to go lower, I'll say the most it can go is to 1.1840 before some heavy buying starts maybe. Okay, and if it breaks below this, then it will be a breakdown. At least on the daily chart it will be double top breakdown. Okay, right now it has not broken, and 1.1840 I'm expecting it to be a good support for the GBP/USD. But on the upside, I'm expecting this level at 1.2121 to be resistance if the price starts any uptrend, maybe in the lower time frames or maybe in these time frames on the daily. So I am expecting the price to go something like this, and it again makes sense to sell at this region if you find it like bearish engulfing or bearish pin bar here around 1.2121 region. All right guys, I have something to tell you. Please consider okay, this is a small message from me. I cannot say it more, but if you can, please consider subscribe if you find my analysis worth it. Yeah, that's it. I cannot pin that message, I don't know why, but anyways, I just wanted to say this because then I will be able to focus on my content. So I hope you got the idea, because I'm expecting this region, this area was a very good support in the past, very good resistance in the past. Then after it became support here, then it became resistance here, then it again becomes support here. So when the price comes here again to test this area, I think that will become resistance again. Now this is just a thinking or a speculation. Now I'm not sure how you will see it here, but I'm expecting most of the time how it happens is you tend to watch it, and a bearish engulfing comes at the resistance, a bearish pin bar comes at the resistance. So that's why I say if there is a bearish engulfing or bearish pin bar, you know how to take trade from it, right? You keep a stop order below the low of that candle and you open the trade with the bearish engulfing or bearish pin bar. Now where is the stop loss? Stop loss is just above the high of that particular candle. And where is the probable target? The recent low that the price has made. So in this case, if you are able to catch a sell here, your stop loss will be somewhere around 40 pips here, and your initial targets will be here 140 points. Okay, and if you're targeting the next low, which is 250 points, then it is 1:6 risk to reward ratio, which is good. Okay, talking about the Australian dollar is doing good. It is moving right in the direction which we have pointed it. It's like I am moving the Australian dollar now. So 0.6869 is what we were expecting it to hit yesterday. It hit that target already, and now yesterday only it started going up, and we were expecting it to go 2.69 2.7002 area at least before coming down. Now these are the small head and shoulders that we are expecting, okay, in the formation, and we are expecting this bigger head and shoulder to form in the Australian dollar actually. So this up move here will be limited from 0.7002 and we'll see again a sell off towards 0.6728. That is what I'm expecting. Right now 0.6915 area is acting as a support for the price. The low that the price had seen yesterday was 0.6869 area. This was a good support region. So I'm not expecting the price to go there, because if it goes there, then it will definitely start looking towards 0.6728 also. So I'm expecting the price to hold this low for some time, then push the price towards 0.7002, where those who could not open the short positions here, they will try to open their short positions at the resistance and push the prices down first to 0.6869 and thereafter to 0.76728 area, this one. In the similar manner, New Zealand dollar is holding. Actually, this is a daily candle and it is trading within the range of the yesterday's candle. Okay, so it has not seen the higher high or the lower low, so I will say it is consolidating. In the similar manner, New Zealand dollar can also go a bit higher from here during the consolidation, like towards 0.6371 and then come down to 0.6190. Okay, but if it keeps coming down to 0.6190, then also it is supposed to find some support here. The resistance for New Zealand dollar is 0.6371 and support is 0.6190. Till the time these two levels are not being traded, I will not be talking about the next levels. Okay, these two are important levels for the price to trade now. But what is the structure of the market, guys? Well, the structure of the market in this case is still up, and it will break once 0.6190 breaks, and if that breaks, we will become sellers. All right. USD JPY is struggling around 131 to 132 area. Now it has broken out of this high. Now this gap up opening and thereafter failure to go higher, it is actually an indication of weakness, but maybe it has come to fill this gap. Okay, maybe it will find a support at around 131 area and then push up, but we don't want to speculate like this. We only want to trade this US dollar against yen in the upward direction above 134.77 only. Till that time we are just looking for maybe some consolidation, some range formation, and once it breaks above 134.77 we become buyers in this one, and if the price breaks below 126.35 we become sellers in this one. That's it. We are not trading in this big range of like some 700 points from here to here, because this is a big consolidation. Now yeah, you see, this is a big consolidation. Actually, what we can do, it has made a structure like this. We cannot trade between these two ranges. Okay, please understand this. This is very rare that the price makes a structure of 700 points. This is very rare. 750 points of structure, I will say. So if the structure has to break, it has to break either side, like 134.77 or 127.21. US dollar against the Canadian one, well, it is consolidating near the highs. Now any push further towards 1.3500 area will invite more sellers in this market, and they may push prices back towards 1.32. So there is a consolidation of 300 points here. One can look for a selling opportunity actually here, because this is a confluence of resistance. So if you meet this resistance, it will be a good idea to go short here with a small stop loss higher. Okay, otherwise there is nothing much to talk about the US dollar and Canadian dollar. Some may be thinking, oh, I wanted to buy USD CAD, I cannot buy. Well, you cannot buy this market when there is a lot of resistance on the way up, when the support is very far. So there's no point of talking about buying the US dollar against the Canadian. Okay, now dollar against the Swiss franc, you want to buy? Well, those who want to buy, they should keep in mind that Rakesh has this falling channel on his charts, and to him, he knows that this is an area, or this is a zone which is also a confluence of resistances. Well, if you want to buy, okay, if you want to buy I think you should buy only above this 9597 area. Okay, but if you want to sell, 0.9479 is a very good area to sell. Why I'm saying so? Because it is a very good area to sell after this channel has been broken to the downside. It has not been tested, so it is a confluence of resistance. But if you are very aggressive, you find this is sufficient for you, sufficient information for you to go short. If you see a bearish engulfing today here, I think selling below the low of this candle will be a good idea if this candle closes. Now this candle has still 12 hours to close, so maybe after 12 hours. Why it has 12 hours? I don't understand. Okay, okay, how it has 12 hours? I really don't understand. Is this candle going to close in 12 hours daily candle? Wow. Earlier it was like 4 hours or 5 hours for me. Why it is 12 hours? There is, I think, something wrong with the countdown. I will see. Anyways, the point here is that if you see the candle closes here below the low of this green candle, then you sell below the low of this red candle and target 1.9100. That is what I do mostly. All right, guys. Now resistance is at 0.9271 immediate resistance, and immediate support is at 0.9100. So it is like 171 points of range. Worth it, worth trading. Okay, talking about silver making big volumes with the red candles is showing me, is giving me a suggestion that yeah, we are going down. Okay, so 22.01 is the minimum which I am targeting. If it breaks below 22.01 and start trading below 22.01 comfortably and doesn't come back faster here, then we may see 20.85 and 20.56 in this market. Keep this in mind. But if we see an up move from here, then it can last till 23.12, where we will find again the resistance and we can test again 22.01. That is what my speculation about this market. But if you ask me about current support and resistance, 22.01, this is the level which I am watching right now. And if the price holds here, then the next level to the upside I will be watching is 23.12. But on the contrary, if it falls down from here, then I'll be looking for 20.85. Before that, there is no break for this one. Okay. Similarly, in the gold, I'm actually looking for the price to retrace back to 1900 level to find it as a fresh resistance after this breakdown. But if it starts falling from here only, then I will be looking at around 1824 levels, which was the previous support and resistance. So I will be expecting this to act as a support or resistance again. But ultimate objective in this market is 1807, which is the previous resistance for the market. I'm expecting that to hold as the fresh support now. But yes, see, really in the gold, if you are really looking for a selling opportunity, because the gold is selling off, you can see from these two candles at least. So if the gold is being sold off, then I think a good price for this one should be around 1900 US dollars. Guys, if that makes some sense to you, smash that like button, share it with your friends, tell everybody in the world that the gold is going to go down. If you want to sell it, maybe 1900 is the selling opportunity. All right, talking about the Brent oil. Well, Brent, okay, this was a good area around 83.14. Now this is a bullish Marubozu on the daily, and I was expecting the price to react to this level of 83.14 and give us some reason to go short in this market. Now this is looking green, but if you trust your analysis, then look for a selling opportunity here around this area, around this zone. But if this candlestick or the next is able to go above the high of this particular candle where my cursor is right now, 84.17, then I think we should become biased, because in that case the structure of the market will be broken. Okay, the market structure will break above 84.17. Below that, it is only a selling opportunity. Okay, now I think it can go maximum to this area here. around this area. From here it should get back, and it should get back with a very big bang, and the price should go down. Let us see how the things unfold in the future. Right now 83.14 on the daily candle, it is 83.14, which is still the resistance, and on intraday I think this area should provide some resistance to the price. On the lower side we have a support much lower than 77.58 is the area of support. Okay, some people from this green candle start looking it as a buying opportunity, but it is not. Okay, be cautious about this. These lows that the price had broken in the past will definitely act as a resistance again. Let us see tomorrow, okay, what happens. Now dollar again, the South African rand is moving slowly, very slowly, towards the area which we will be looking for the buying opportunity, that 17.5673 area we should be looking for as the buying opportunity. One can go long at that level, but for an instance say it drops below that level and then keeps dropping, then the next level should be 17.4303, which was the downswing pivot after the break. This level has held as a support, so I will be looking for a buying opportunity at this region once again. But if you are very aggressive, then try to find some buying opportunity at around 17.5673. How you can get that? Well, this is how you get that. Once you see that the price is going beyond this falling channel, then you become a buyer in this one. Okay, right now the price is consolidating within this channel, but I think as soon as the price hits this low, that is 7.5673 level, the buyers will jump in and push the prices higher again. Bitcoin looks like 22,737 area is holding good. At least on the 4 hour it is showing that this level is holding. Now people are becoming buyers in this one. I have already made a channel, the downtrending channel, and this channel gets respected every time the price meets this channel. So now you can actually expect an up move from here towards 25,166. But if it breaks below 22,737, gives us a good close below that, starts comfortably trading below that, then you can expect 21,405 to be achieved in this market. On the higher side, we have 25,166 as the resistance. On the lower side, we have 21,405 as the next support. But the immediate support is 22,737. So the price is trading very close to the support zone. Euro JPY, we are bullish in this one in the long run till the time it is trading above 137.34, but we will buy it only above 142.93 when it would have cleared all these resistances on the daily and weekly candles. Okay, so nothing much on this one. Monthly is up, waiting for the weekly and daily to turn up. That's all. Euro GBP. Well guys, Euro GBP, I have drawn this rectangle here with an intention to find some buying opportunity here in the euro against the Great British Pound. And I think if we find any buying opportunity here, then we can target this recent high in this one, and maybe even the further highs around 90 to 79 in this market, guys. See, this breakout from this level here is suggesting us that we are looking for a buying opportunity. Now what you can do, you can throw a channel here. This is up. Okay, this is up. All right, something of this sort is supposed to happen. The price should continue further, but even if it starts coming down from here, I think this high that the price has broken, this may act as a good support for the price. Okay, so keep this in mind that euro is going to rise against the pound in the coming time, and the higher targets that we are expecting is 9279 in this market. So the last is the S&P 500 index. Okay, S&P 500, we are expecting it to find support here, but no, it has just found the support below that level. I will say around here, around this previous broken resistances, these two, 1 and 2. And now still I'm bullish in this one, and I'm expecting 0.4325 area to be tested in the S&P 500. Okay, the price may not extend towards this. This was the ideal situation to buy, where you have multiple levels of supports, but no, you don't always get the ideal situation. So there's a possibility the price will reject from here only. I mean, this may be the lowest low that the price has formed, so it may be a swing low. If you see that today's candle turns green, okay, then you can buy above the high of today's candle and keep a target of reset high that the price had made, which is around 4195 in this market. After that, 4325 is the definite if the price breaks this high. So keep these things in mind, guys. Now at the end of the webinar, I just want to ask you if you have any questions. If you have questions, fine, or otherwise I will show you this chart that we are long in already, Euro OD. Let me take this euro against the Australian dollar. Okay, euro. All right, so this is the chart. Now what are we? Are we long in this one? Direction is short, so we are short in this one here. Okay, and we have stop loss here, and we have a target of 1.5273. Oh, we have gone more than what, 190 points, is it? No, we have long euro dollar also. What when did this happen? We have 150 profit in the euro OD already. The target is here, and in euro dollar also we are long. I want to see that also. You see, I open positions. Okay, I'm long here. When did I become long? Oh guys, when did this happen? Okay, 25,000 units I bought it. When did I do this? Guys, I really don't know. And my stop loss is here. Is it? My target is there. Oh, this may be a very old order which is triggered. I think we never cancelled that order. But anyways, I hope you get it. No questions today, MJ. Thank you very much. So I think I will cut this order here right now, because we don't want to keep that order, and we want to keep euro OD running, because we know that this is definitely going to achieve the targets. Okay, so this is what it is. We are expecting this to be achieved. It's okay, guys. You saw this live trade also. This was the, what was the reason? Why did we open this trade? Actually, we should have written that. We should have written that. Yes. And now even I have forgotten why I have taken that trade. But anyways, I hope you got the idea about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Please keep in mind to never risk more than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and just look for a potential profit of more than 3 times of whatever you're risking. And you can do it actually beforehand. Before putting down your trades, you will know where are your risk, where is your TP. So adjust your position size in such a manner that even if your stop loss gets triggered, you should not lose more than 1% on that trade. Okay, so have a good day. Thank you very much for being here. Share it with your friends. Be there tomorrow at 16:30 GMT, and we'll talk again about the crucial support and resistance levels. Bye bye, take care.